I think I might be a little bit late to the party, but who gives a f? Today we're having a look at the Nike Air Jordan 1 Heritage. I've had these sneakers for a few days now, but I just didn't have the time to review them. Now these come in a white box, which is a little bit different to the usual black and red box that you get with the Air Jordan 1s. Now here are the sneakers themselves, and these come with 3 different laces, the black, the red and the white, and the black is already on, which needs to be laced up, which we will do in just a minute. And I've seen pictures of them with the red laces and the white laces, but for me personally, I think the black I wouldn't be mad if it just came with the black laces. That's all I'm going to say. And I'm not planning on swapping the laces with the red ones or the white ones anytime soon. But it's still nice, it's still nice to have just in case. And just don't understand the reason why this has been getting all the hate and it's been slept on for no reason. I mean, look at these sneakers, man. Look at it. Look at the quality. Look at the leather. People are mad because of the color blocking. With a reverse swoosh, it becomes the red Travis Scott's, and people would just pay premium resale for them. But because it's not Travis Scott, it's a normal Air Jordan 1. Look at the quality on these. And these were still available in most sizes on the sneakers app and on some other retailers as well online. I just couldn't believe it. I mean, it was so easy to cop these. I was even planning on buying a second pair, just paint. You could easily turn these into the Jordan 1 Brettos if you wanted to. If I had a second pair, I would have at least tried it. But with this one, I just think I'm going to leave it as it is. But yeah, I mean, let's try the black laces. And there you have it, guys. Black laces. I think they just look incredible. But yeah, it just looks a little bit worn, doesn't it? Maybe someone tried them on. I don't know. Anyways, guys, let's carry on with the on feet. Now, on feet, these are just like any other Jordan 1s. I mean, they are nice, they're comfortable to a certain extent. I wouldn't recommend wearing these all day. Yeah, it is a Jordan 1. What else can I say? They're not the most comfortable shoes in the world. I mean, Crease Test, it just hurts, but I have to do it. As you can see, it still holds up quite well for a Jordan 1, which it tends to crease quite easy, but for some reason this one holds up quite well. Will it crease with everyday walking? I think so, right? But it's nothing a shoe tree wouldn't fix, in my opinion. Overnight, for example. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. That's it with this video. If you have any questions, please let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next one.